So this is the roll of wire for your electrical plug. Electrical power comes in here. This is your little contactor relay to turn the motor on and off. And those are the dual capacitors that are being used as a storage tank. There are another two capacitors. One goes here and one goes here. And that is for the electric motor. This is your harness that goes over to your defrost fan control pressure switch. The harness continues. That's your junction point here at the unit. It goes down into the evaporator one way. And this is just your ground that goes behind the dryer. And this is your connection for the standby compressor. And then what I've done is carefully selected all the wires, and I reran it so that I have one harness, which is my cab command, and one harness, which is my positive and negative, and my clutch and my liquid injection. This is going to go together. So that's in one harness. And there you have it. These are all your connections for your evaporator. And these are all the plugs that plug onto the board that tell all those wires what to do with positive and negative ground signals. See, there's your little start relay inside. Brilliant. Little board that has like a timer. There's your fuse for your... There's your capacitor. There you go, there you have it. I'm gonna replace this capacitor. It has a dent in it. I have another one.